Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best push block for woodworking, the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO. If you're serious about safety and precision in your woodworking projects, this tool deserves your attention. The GrabberPRO is designed to elevate your control and reduce the risk of kickback while working with table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Right out of the box, it comes fully assembled, ready to enhance your shop safety immediately. What sets this push block apart is its thoughtful design, combining functionality with comfort. One of the standout features is the ergonomic handle, which fits naturally in your hand and allows for steady, controlled pressure. This is essential when guiding your workpiece through blades or cutters. The handle helps maintain maximum contact with the material, reducing the chance of binding or sudden movement that can cause accidents. Another key aspect is the set of 4 adjustable and interchangeable legs. These legs come in sizes 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and 1/8 inch, enabling you to customize the GrabberPRO for the exact task at hand. Whether you're making a wide rip or a very fine cut as narrow as 1/8 of an inch, this tool adapts to your needs. This versatility is a major advantage for woodworkers who demand precision. The legs feature diamond grip rubber pads, which provide excellent traction on your workpiece. This grip ensures the block stays firmly in place, offering superior control and stability. The combination of grip and pressure keeps the wood securely against your fence or table surface, which is critical for clean, accurate cuts. Perhaps one of the most innovative parts of this push block is the sacrificial heel. It's adjustable and can be cut through as needed, allowing you to lower it to suit the thickness of your workpiece. This sacrificial heel supports the wood from behind, preventing it from lifting or slipping while you push it through the blade. By minimizing movement, it dramatically reduces the chances of kickback, a leading cause of injuries in woodworking. The construction quality is also worth noting. The Milescraft GrabberPRO is made with durable materials designed to withstand the rigors of regular shop use. It offers a balance of sturdiness without being too heavy, so it remains easy to maneuver during longer sessions. If you're working on projects requiring fine precision, this push block shines. Its ability to handle strips as thin as 1/8 inch means you can safely cut very narrow pieces that would be difficult or dangerous with less specialized tools. In addition to safety and precision, the GrabberPRO helps improve overall workflow. Because you can maintain a consistent grip and pressure on your workpiece, cuts become smoother and more predictable. This consistency not only enhances your craftsmanship but also reduces material waste from mistakes or uneven cuts. To sum up, the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO is an essential accessory for woodworkers looking to improve shop safety and cutting accuracy. Its ergonomic design, customizable legs, strong grip, and sacrificial heel all work together to give you better control and reduce risks associated with kickback. If you want a push block that supports both safety and precision, this is a product to consider adding to your woodworking toolkit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on tools that make a difference in your workshop.